friends, Running Kimono. So we're going to talk about how to take these burnt out candles from Bath and Body Works and to make them into really cute little vases for gifts. So first thing we're going to do is put the caps back on and throw it into the freezer for at least 12 to 24 hours. And if your freezer's a mess like this, it seems to always work the best. So here it is 12 hours later, and I'm taking a steak knife and just being very gentle with this. This is some sped up video. I do not work this fast. And just starting to crack some of the wax, and boom, it's all coming out. That is really easy. Now with some of these smaller ones, one of them I could not get that wick out, but I'll show you how I did that at a later time here in the video. So there they are. They're still very, very cold to the touch. So about half an hour to an hour, I'm going to get them to room temperature and then put them in a bath. This bath is just to a little bit of dish soap, a little bit of warm water. Be very, very careful. It's to wet everything down to take off the labels, and to also the soap, the residue, the wax, that good stuff. So make sure you don't really clang your candles if you're doing 4 at once as well, because this is when they might crack. So for about half an hour, put it in the bath. Here are my tools, a little sponge and a little knife. And you just take your time with this. As you can see, one of the labels is starting to pop up. And this is again some sped up video. I do not work this fast. And you just peel it off really carefully. That's very easy to just rub off the little sticker at the bottom. And these Bath and Body Works, very, very high quality glass. So that's why I like to regift them. This one wick would not budge. So I put some boiling water into the candle vase, and then it finally, like about 20 minutes later, started to move around. So that was quite the joyous little moment. And there it is, gonzo. I use a little bit of Goo Gone. You can buy this at any store, even like a Home Depot or even Dollar Tree. And what I'm going to do is splash the exterior to get all of the, the labels and everything and all the gunkiness off. You can't get that off with soap and water. Maybe if you washed it like 15 times, but who has time for that? A little bit of Goo Gone. Be really careful too that the vases, if you're doing like 3 or 4, they don't clang or like touch too much, because that's how you can crack them. I've done that before. Okay, so I bought a sponge at the $1.25 store, and it's kind of like a knockoff of a Scrub Daddy, because I'm really gonna have to go and like remove the wax and all that stuff, and I just didn't want to use a Scrub Daddy for that. And it's just a process of just like feeling around with your hands for the wax and the residue, and just washing this a bunch of times. About 5 times later, there they are drying, and they look pretty sparkly clean. You can always throw these also in the dishwasher as well, if you do not want to wash them many times by hand, but you might have to run it through the dishwasher a couple of times. And here it is, the final product. These are the single wick Bath and Body Works candles. And whenever I gift these, people get so excited and they're like, well, what is this for an office or a Secret Santa? It's always cute to put something, nice on the desk if they like paper clips or these little peanut butter cups. And you can put quite a few in, and it's always a really big hit, especially if the person loves candles. They're like, what is this? Oh, that looks familiar. Oh, it's from Bath and Body Works. Cool. And it's, environmentally friendly as well. Just put a bow on that and you have a gift. And, it's just something different and cute. And I like, storing office supplies in these. Now, if you wanted to gift, like, say, a smaller ornament, you could also throw that in with some candy. If you have somebody you want to gift something small to, but, you're not really sure. Or if you wanted to gift them this and a candle, you could do that as well. And people are always like, how did you get the wax out? And here is the Big Daddy. And if you've been couponing for these Godiva chocolates, these domes fit perfectly in this 3-wick candle. Look how great that is. Boom, there it is. Doesn't that look really cute? I think it does. Alternatively, somebody that has absolutely everything, get them a bunch of pocket backs. Also super cute. Or perhaps a guy who wants a lot of chapstick. Always looking for chapstick. This would make a great little gift. And we get these for free all the time over at Walgreens. So I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.